South Lyndale Liquor in Minneapolis, and I'm here at J. Carver Distillery with Gina, and we are celebrating Women's History Month. So what better place to be than a distillery?
Thank you so much, Kate. This has been a great day. I am so excited to talk about just my story being in the hospitality industry and a very long 36-year history. It's been amazing to collaborate with South Lyndale and so many people across the state of Minnesota. So thank you so much for the support. It's been a great journey, and I'm so excited to celebrate Women's History Month with all of you.
So, Gina Holman, J. Carver Distillery, founding partner. It's been an amazing journey with my career, 36 years in the hospitality industry, and very grateful. Married, 4 children. They have definitely been on this journey with. So I actually started in the industry when I was 15 and was very fortunate to work at Minnetonka Country Club. And so many of the people in my life have really set the pathway for my career. And so learned so much from the ground up, bus person, server, bartender, working all of the events. And I went to school to become a speech communication and secondary ed teacher, and then realized I love hospitality. It's in my blood. It's always been in my blood with my family. And I took a little bit of a break and went to Europe, and I was singing and doing a lot of acting in Europe and the United States with Up With People for a year, and then came back. And to me, it's always been knowledge is what nobody can ever take away from you, and it's just what fuels my passion. And celebrating this month with you, think of it, we were talking 7 years in April is when, and 1,800 barrels, 1,800 barrels of whiskey and brandy and barrel gin.
Tell us about what you do here. I know you wear many different hats.
Many hats. I would say for the journey, obviously I'm founding partner. I'm one of the distillers. I'm the somm, so I taste all of the spirits and stamp approval when it goes out. One thing that's been a huge passion, like I said, is that collaboration and just that journey. So the American Craft Spirits Association across the U.S., I'm very fortunate and grateful to have been elected to the board.
Awesome. So easy.
When you're passionate about it, it is. The hard days are hard, but the great days are just the biggest gift.
Great. Favorite drink and cocktail?
My favorite cocktail of all time would be the Sazerac.
Okay.
And hey, Kate, let's get Amanda in here and make a cocktail.
Great idea.
Oh, hey guys. Hey, Amanda! Thanks for having me. Hi, I'm Amanda from South Lyndale Liquors, and I'm here today with Gina. She's going to show us how to make her favorite cocktail, the Sazerac.
The Sazerac with our Runestone Straight Rye and very special everlasting Absinthe. So what we are going to do is take our gorgeous Runestone Straight Rye. I love about 2 ounces of the Runestone, and then you know how special this one is, our everlasting Absinthe, and this is finished off with everlasting clover, so a 1/4 ounce of that, the everlasting clover that we've talked about from the family farm.
What a fun story.
It's a great story. And then 1/3 of an ounce of simple syrup. We're gonna hit it with about 3 beautiful dashes of Peychauds, and then great ice. We know Minnesota Pure Ice. Gotta have great ice. And what we're gonna do is a nice little stir here. Get it all nice and chilled down. And we'll just do a little bit of a taste of this one, right? So nice and chill, a little bit of a dilution. And then we'll just do a little bit of a sample pour in these. Look at that color. Isn't it just pretty? So gorgeous. Simple cocktail. And that's just it, right? How many times we talk about it? Doesn't have to be a lot of crazy ingredients, just gorgeous ingredients. Hit it with a little bit of the oils from the lemon and everlasting Absinthe, Runestone. Here's the Sazerac. That was stupid. I should have given it to you. grateful to you.
Perfect. Thank you.
Cheers.